number one is, yeah, sometimes it could be better that because they probably aren't going, they're probably already thinking, hey, they're not going to have enough coverage, the person to hit you. That's why we're even bringing it up. Why don't we use your insurance? That way you can get your car done quick, fix it faster, and move on. And then we will subrogate her $10,000 limit to bring yours back, to bring that back over to reimburse your policy, so to speak. That is probably a quicker way than going and getting $10,000 from her and then turning around and saying, okay, we got to put the rest on something. Now, here's where the confusion lies. The insurance company, he did not tell us, and maybe he doesn't know, what bucket of money they were going to pull from. Because you know what bucket of money I'm thinking that they should pull from?
Underinsured motorists.
Underinsured motorists.
Yeah.
And so if they're doing that, no big deal. You're not at fault. Get it done.